Hey everyone, it's Reed here, and I got a little quick video today because I have not finished my other video I'm editing. It's taking longer than I thought. Such is life. But it's a solar video and you guys can see it tomorrow most likely. Now here, I wanted to show you this, is my little garlic patch, okay? Yes, little garlic is growing, happily getting bigger and stuff. And this is, the last day of January. And it's actually been really lovely out here in New Mexico. We've had temps in the 50s for the last 2 weeks. Been quite nice. A couple cold days here and there, but not too bad. Now I have a whole bunch of different garlic in here, 3 different varieties. And this is my second generation. The first year I grew it in buckets. It did okay-ish. But I decided, let's put this down on the ground. And so this is the patch I grow my sweet potatoes in the summer. And now we have garlic. I've got hard neck, soft neck, got four or 3 different varieties. I'll have to see when I pull them back out and such. The idea is, if one doesn't do well and gets sick, some of the others will keep going and stuff. And this is just year 2. So a couple years from now, I should be able to have a nice growth, big pile growing, and have enough to be able to grow for a whole year. For everything I need and for a lot of different types, flavors, and stuff. And if you want to see how to get garlic set up, there's a link up here that'll pop up to Anthony as he's putting his in, getting ready for the winter. So mine's just getting going and stuff. Now I had to put up some pallets right here dangling over this because the cats that are in the neighborhood and the dogs kept digging in the thing. I'm like, okay, let's at least get this set up so until these get going real far, they can stay out and this was protected. So had to cover it for a little while. But as you can see, they're up and going. Well, that's my quick tiny video for the day. Hopefully this is at least somewhat interesting to someone. We'll get a little closer so you guys can see some of them. Go over it real carefully. I'll try not to shake like crazy, but not the most steady person in the world. When I was younger, I used to be super steady at stuff, but not nearly as much anymore. I'll work on that. But there you go. All the various garlics growing away. Take care, everyone. This is Reed. Out for now.